Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I am going to be cleaning my bedroom, living room, and my kitchen. Right now what I'm doing is putting up a table, or not putting up a table, but putting together two small end tables for my bedroom. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I finished the table. It looks so cute. I love it. Just open it. It has a little drawer. But now to finish this one, and then I am going to clean this room. So it's gross. It needs to be cleaned. So let's get right into doing that. So now I'm just clearing off this end table because this is where I'm going to be placing one of the end tables that I put together. I am cleaning this little area. I'm going to wipe down the baseboards and just get it ready for that end table. So this end table didn't fit on the other side of the bed, and that's one reason why I decided to buy some new smaller ones. And so I am just clearing this end table out because we are getting rid of them. I put them for sale on the Facebook Marketplace and they sold really fast. It's days later. It's days later, right? But let me show you guys how the tables look. That's how they look, and it's perfect for the space. Like, we couldn't have, before we had bigger tables there. Let me see those. And it was just too big. I gotta vacuum, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna vacuum, and I finally got. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. I finally was able to hang up this mirror. So that's all hung up nicely, but I need to clean it. As you guys can tell, my babies love to touch it. So I'm gonna clean that, and I'm gonna vacuum in here, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. Now I am making my way to the living room. You guys, the day before this footage, I just worked on laundry. I had so much laundry that I had to get done, and so I washed everything and I put pretty much everything away. This is what's left of what I didn't put away. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just putting the rest of this clothes away and just cleaning up this living area. So eventually what I want to do is redo this table, but until then I'm just going to cover this ugly spot with this tray. And now I am moving on to vacuuming, and then I'm going to clean up the entertainment center. Now I'm moving on to the dining room and the kitchen. Eventually I am going to be redoing this dining table. I want to paint it and reupholster the seats, but for now it's just gonna stay the way that it is until I can find some time to do it. So now I'm just sweeping around the table because I have a baby and he lately he's been just like throwing the food on the ground. If he doesn't like it, he'll just throw it on the ground. It's so funny. It's not funny when I'm cleaning it, but we have a puppy and he's been eating off the ground, so I guess it works out. But now I am just going to be clearing off the countertops and working on unloading and loading up the dishes. Now that my dishwasher is loaded, I am now going to have to wash the rest of the dishes by hand. But before I do that, I want to clean my sink, so that is what I am doing here. I probably should have started picking up trash first, but I didn't, and so now that's what I'm doing here. I'm just throwing away trash and just cleaning up this counter space. You guys, looking back at this video, it's so cute to see my little one just tearing everything up behind me. I'm picking it up and he's there tearing it up. But now I'm just going to be wiping down the countertops, and then I'm going to move on to my stove, and I'm going to be deep cleaning my stove. So if you haven't already, I would highly recommend the pink stuff. It is amazing. It takes anything off of anything. So if you haven't already, just try it out. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it gives you some sort of motivation to get your cleaning done. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!